CNC lathes have ball screws instead of lead screws. Lead screws have sliding friction, and so you need more power to move the machine parts. Ball screws have rolling friction like ball bearings, and so require less power and have a longer life. This is how ball screws are fixed on the machine. You can see the ball screw, the nut, and also the LM guides. This animation shows how a ball screw works. You can see the balls circulating in the nut as it moves axially. This is what it looks like when it is in motion on a machine. This is the cut section view of the ball screw's nut.